Reduce stability. Decrease the weapon sway.
I don't think we have enough to do that.
You quit. You should quit the game.
Huh? Yeah.
Oh,
Attach a
how much
compensating...
does stability cost?
Oh, we already did that.
Oh, okay, cool. What's this one?
Attach a compensator to reduce weapon recoil.
I do that for accuracy.
Craft an magazine. Oh, or we could hold more rounds. You want?
I do the recoil.
Okay.
It's all about quality, not quantity.
That's all I got to say.
Plus the cool thing at the end.
Ooh, fancy.
It's fucking sick.
That's